Dow surges more than 300 points after weak jobs report spurs rate cut hopes. Stocks jumped on Friday, building on strong weekly gains, as weak economic data increased the odds of easier monetary policy from the Federal Reserve. The Dow Jones Industrial Average traded 323 points higher, led by gains in Microsoft and Apple. The S&P, the U.S. economy added 75,000 jobs in May, marking the second straight month of monthly jobs growth below 100,000. Economists hold the market's got a conundrum here. That's a bad report. Market expectations for a Fed rate cut in June rose to 27.5% from 16.7% after the data release, according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool. The market is also. The weak jobs number gives the Fed a clear easing path by July, billionaire investor Stanley Druckenmiller told CNBC's Squawk Box before the jobs report was released. Treasury yields fell broadly, with the benchmark 10-year rate dropping to its lowest level since 2017. The dollar slid. Bank shares followed yields lower. Citigroup slipped. The major indexes were set to post sharp gains for the week as bets for lower Fed rates increased. The Dow is up 4. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said Tuesday the central bank is closely monitoring the implications of these developments for the U.S. economic outlook and, as always, we will act as appropriate to sustain the expansion. Investors also kept an eye on trade as talks between U.S. and Mexico officials continue. Mexican ambassador to the U.S. Martha Barchenikoki told CNBC that negotiations involved a very good discussion. Mexico has Elliott Smith contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.